just wrapped up an oil change on this 2018 Honda CR-V, but this should go for most Honda CR-Vs. How to reset the maintenance light. So follow me around on that side. I'm coming over here. So as y'all can tell on the dash, and I'm gonna move our photo, it says maintenance due soon. So to get rid of that, actually come over here to the home screen. So you don't have to click home, then you're gonna click settings. You'll actually come down to vehicle, and then scroll down. It says maintenance info. You're gonna click maintenance info. See right here it says engine oil, tire rotation, select reset times, engine oil. Would you like to reset maintenance oil information? Oil life is at 10%. And then you hit reset. So now information has been reset. You go back in, you go to select items, and there you go. See, back to 100%. Oil life, 100%, oil and filter. So that is how you change your, not change, that is how you reset the maintenance light on your Honda CR-V. Just like that. As y'all see, nothing on the dash anymore, so maintenance light has been reset. Just that easy.